get dollar just by watching ads. Let's go to the video. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you are doing great. This is the homepage of the website we are going to introduce. The website's address is star-clicks.com. This website supports PayPal, bank transfer, and Western Union and claims to offer fast and secure payments. Actually, StarClicks is an advertising website where you can either advertise or view ads. This site works for two purposes: for those who want to make money or publishers, and for those who want to advertise online or advertisers. Here you can see the benefits for publishers, like easy and quick start and getting paid online for each ad, which are the main advantages. For advertisers, there are key features like advertising your site, SEO services, paying per click, and a minimum deposit of $5. The site's statistics include 789 million delivered ads. The number of published ads is 24,000. The number of clicked ads is 454 million. And the number of members is 4 million. Here it says if you have a website, start advertising with us to easily increase your site's traffic and attract more visitors. Let's move on the registration. Click on the sign up option. It will take you to this page where you can sign up as a publisher to start earning money or as an advertiser to start advertising. Our goal is to make money, so click on the left option to register. After clicking, you will come to this page where you need to provide some information to register. Enter your first name here, enter your last name here, enter your date of birth here, enter your postal address here in English, enter your city here, enter your country here, enter your zip code here, enter your phone number here, and enter your email here and choose a password here. Select a security question like what car do you drive or what's your favorite movie, and provide the answer below. Enter the CAPTCHA code here, and finally check this box and click on the register button. This is the website's dashboard, what we will be working with, and it's very simple. Upon registration, you get 13 cents, which you can see here. The section we will be working with is the PPC ads section, which you can find here. This section is for ads, and this is where all our work will be. Let's watch one ad together. We watched this website for 15 seconds, and that's it. Close the website and the money is added to our account. Watch another ad. Watch it for 15 seconds and that's it. Close the website and the money is added to our account. This is the entire page we will be working with. The next section is the referral section, where you can get your referral links and share them with your friends. This website gives you 8 cents for signing up and also pays for upgrading your account, which I don't recommend as always. The next section is the request payout section. Click on this option and you will see that the minimum payout is $50. You can withdraw using PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and other methods. Hey guys, we have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. If you don't like the video, please like it. Until the next video, take care of your pockets. Bye for now.